Hello, 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 and welcome. We have our test Commodore 64 here. No, Commodore 128 here. That was interesting. Plug in the video. Plug in the video. Plug in the power. Oh, yeah. Oh. Drop the power cord on the ground. I did. Power switch is off. Put the power in. We'll see what happens. Oh dear. I wonder. Oh, now hang on. I am missing a 6526 chip. I wonder if I shorted out the power supply and blew the fuse. I don't know. Okay, 6526 chip out. Oh, that wasn't the one. Oh well. Shouldn't matter. Shouldn't matter. Assuming I've done nothing foolish, it should not matter. Alright, do I see anything? Oh, well, you know what else would help? I turned on the power. Okay. All right. Go 64. Yes. We have gone 64. Hit the reset button. Okay, so it would seem we have not harmed anything. Now, I think what I will do though is put the 6526 chip back in here from where it came. And take the 6526 chip from here and put it back from where it came. And then turn this on. There we are. So we have done no harm. But we certainly did not get a response. Now I don't think there's anything else I've taken a power switch out of that would do. I don't think so. So, anyway, obviously jumping that other one didn't do any good. So, we have over here the board, which is now populated. But, that's a good place to set other chips. What's this? $33. 34. 35. So they can sit there, and there's nothing to be done. Okay, so the extra chips are sitting where they would sit. They are, and this one is working. So turn that off. Lay this up here. What? Charging? No, we're not charging. Oh, yeah. Well, of course we're not charging. I unplugged the charger. Now we're charging. Okay. Are we still charging? We are still charging. Okay. Well, I suppose. Let me look over here. I think what we need to do now is snag. Oh yeah, it works. Works. Yellowed. F7 broken. Sit okay. Test machine. Another test machine. Okay, well that's good. What does this one do? This is very yellowed. Works in. Okay. So these, from what it says, are both working. I wonder if I meant to works in all modes. I wonder. Is that what I had in mind? Yeah. Okay. I need to figure out what I'm doing here. So, we'll see you again next time back here in the TV room. Until then, have a lovely day. David Bradley, I'm your host. Signing off. Bye for now.